Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the automotive world: the Mercedes EV disaster. What happened? Mercedes Benz, a brand synonymous with luxury and performance, has faced significant challenges in its electric vehicle (EV) journey. From production delays to technical issues, the road has been anything but smooth. But what exactly went wrong? And what does this mean for the future of Mercedes' EV ambitions? Join us as we explore the factors behind this setback, analyze the impact on the market, and discuss what Mercedes-Benz is doing to bounce back. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a Mercedes fan, or just curious about the latest in automotive news, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses and updates on the latest in the automotive industry. Let's get started. This trend is causing significant upheaval in the automobile sector about the shift from conventional internal combustion engines (ICE) to electric cars (EVs). Among the top players in the automotive sector, Mercedes-Benz has been leading edge in this change. On the other hand, recent events have shown the possible advantages and disadvantages of the electric vehicle trip for the luxury car producer. Collision test and safety for electric vehicles. Mercedes-Benz recently conducted an apparently novel crash test at its Technology Center for Vehicle Safety in Sindelfingen, Germany. Two of the test electric cars headed head-on and collided with one another. The aim was to demonstrate, with regard to safety, that electric vehicles are just as safe as their gas-powered counterparts. Journalists were invited to the event in order to underline the degree of the company's commitment to safety. Dealing with safety issues surrounding electric vehicles becomes more crucial as more people use them. About the MB.EA large platform cancellation. Mercedes-Benz planned to achieve great goals with their MB.EA grand electric car platform. Conversely, the company had to change its approach since sales of models like the EQE and EQS were slower than expected. Mercedes-Benz decided to focus on enhancing its current EVA2 platform, which the EQS and EQE already run, instead of increasing the MB investments. This major change in approach emphasizes the challenges in estimating consumer demand and adjusting to the dynamics of the market. Problems: demand presence. Mercedes-Benz is facing a typical industry problem despite making significant expenditures in electric car technology. A poor demand from consumers for electric automobiles. Executives from Mercedes, Ford, and General Motors have come to know about this issue. Apart from technological innovations, the shift to electric cars calls for users' mental change as well. Consumers' tastes are much shaped by several elements, including charging infrastructure, range concern, and pricing. The sector must cooperate if we are to tackle these challenges. The possibilities that grow outward. Mercedes-Benz has several choices, even if the road ahead is challenging. Ongoing research and development will lead to notable changes in battery technologies, range, and charging infrastructure. Mercedes-Benz can leverage the cachet of its brand to create luxury electric cars appealing to consumers who are fussy. Expanding into developing nations, where environmental problems are becoming more and more important, can help to boost electric vehicle sales. Working cooperatively with other automakers and technological companies will help to speed up development. The rise in technological capacity. Apart from carrying out safety tests, Mercedes-Benz is dedicated to promote electric mobility. Thanks in great part to the company's efforts, EV technology has advanced significantly. Cutting-edge engineering is exemplified by their electric flagship models EQS and EQE. For instance, one charge of the EQS lets it travel more than 400 miles, about 644 kilometers. The achievement is evidence of the development in the domains of aerodynamics, energy density, and battery chemistry. As Mercedes-Benz keeps developing the electric drivetrains it employs, we could eventually expect even more powerful and efficient electric cars. The challenge influencing the infrastructure for charging. There is still a deficit in the charging infrastructure, even if electric automobiles help the environment. Like other automakers, Mercedes-Benz faces challenges making sure that charging stations are widely available and conveniently accessible. The corporation has invested in alliances with charging networks to reach its aim of worldwide network expansion. To enable the shift to electric vehicles, governments, utilities, and businesses must cooperate, though, to hasten the building of charging infrastructure. Consumer acceptance will be limited in the lack of meaningful charging options. Luxurious living and responsible behavior. Mercedes-Benz is a luxury car producer with a really special position. A delicate dance is needed to reconcile sustainability with grandeur. The EQS, with its luxurious cabin, cutting-edge information and entertainment system, and environmentally friendly materials, epitomizes this equilibrium. Mercedes has to keep innovating in materials and design if it is to meet the rising consumer demand for eco-friendly solutions. Luxury electric cars should not only be good for the environment, but also offer a premium experience fit for their cost. The current regulatory scene. Government policies have a major impact on the market for electric cars. Mercedes-Benz's worldwide activities are under the laws and incentives unique to every area. In several countries, electric cars are qualified for tax breaks, returns, and special treatment. Some set emissions targets and penalize those that do not follow. Strategic planning is needed if one is to effectively negotiate this complex regulatory system. Mercedes must work for laws that are consistent and helpful worldwide while also matching its product offers with local legislation. Design and aesthetics. Their value from the classic SL Roadsters to the sophisticated S-Class sedans. Mercedes-Benz has a long and remarkable legacy of creating great cars. The company's switch to electric cars emphasizes even more the need of maintaining its design DNA. The EQS, which has a futuristic form, and illuminated grille and smooth surfaces, showcases this dedication. Designing electric vehicles presents a special difficulty in connecting emotionally with consumers while juggling aerodynamics with efficiency. Mercedes has to keep stretching the boundaries of what is feasible to make sure its electric cars not only function, but also inspire desire. Environmental stewardship and the supply chain. Every electric car comes from a complicated supply chain. Sustainability is absolutely crucial, whether it comes to component manufacture or battery raw material purchase. By 2039, Mercedes-Benz wants its supply chain to be carbon neutral. To achieve this, one must cooperate with the suppliers, streamline the logistics, and lessen the environmental effect. Transparency on ethical problems and sourcing practices will become absolutely essential going forward. Mercedes' commitment to ethical sourcing will affect consumers' purchase selections given their increasing knowledge of the need of sustainability. Workforce restructuring. Apart from goods, the change to electric cars influences people as well. Mercedes-Benz employs thousands of individuals all throughout the globe. Companies have to find a balance between job stability and technology advances. Mercedes' dedication to a fair and equitable change is shown by initiatives including the Ambition 2039 program, which centers on carbon neutrality and workforce transformation. Of great relevance is ensuring that staff members remain central in this change. The charging the device experience, above the infrastructure for charging the user experience, is crucial. Mercedes-Benz's plug-and-charge feature helps one to grasp the process. The vehicle will automatically check itself and send a bill to the owner when a compatible charger is plugged into it. The smoothness of this interaction promotes the usage of electric cars and raises convenience. Mercedes has to improve the charging experience even more if it is to be as simple as the recharging process for a gas-powered car. This is so as the fast charger network is growing, finding your way across the landscape of electric vehicles. Mercedes-Benz is walking a difficult road towards the future of electric cars. Workforce, safety, technology, design, and sustainability all cross with one another. The scene of electric vehicles will be shaped by the company's commitment to creativity, elegance, and sound business policies. Mercedes-Benz is still quite much of a player. As consumers adopt greener mobility, the corporation is headed toward an eco-friendly future. I hope this video sheds some light on the challenges Mercedes-Benz has faced in their electric vehicle journey. It's a complex issue with many factors at play, from technological hurdles to market dynamics. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Do you think Mercedes can bounce back from these setbacks? Leave your comments below and let's get the conversation started. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more insights and stories from the world of electric vehicles and beyond. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.